Hello, myself Sneha Vahurwag, and now we will see nature and bonding in organic molecule. So in that we will see in details delocalized chemical bonding and conjugation. So first topic is delocalized chemical bonding. We will see what is chemical bond. So chemical bonds are found when two nuclei share a pair of electron between them. Here example is given. When two hydrogen atoms share their two electrons with each other, then the molecular orbital is obtained, and between them the chemical bond is formed. And here the electron density is confined at the center of the orbital. As the electron density is confined to the center of orbital, it can be said as the bond is the localized chemical bond. As there are two forms of chemical bond, that is localized chemical bond and delocalized chemical bond. So these bonds are considered combination of overlapping one electron atomic orbital. The bond is strongest when the two electrons are confined to a region between the two nuclei. This type of bond is described as localized bond. Now we will see delocalized bond. So here the electrons are in molecule, ion or solid metal that are not associated with single atom or a covalent bond. We can see the example of benzene. Here delocalization of electron is indicated by circle. When we draw the structure of methane molecule, then we draw the carbon atom at the center and four hydrogen atoms are around the carbon atom. But when we draw the structure of benzene, then we can draw it by two ways because of alternating double bonds. We indicate the delocalization of electrons by the circle. Here the molecule with delocalized bonding is more stable than a molecule with localized bonding. Now we will see the definitions of localized chemical bond and delocalized chemical bond. So a localized chemical bond can be defined as it is a specific bond whose electrons are greatly concentrated in the region between two nuclei only. Here the density of electron is confined at the center of molecular orbital between two nuclei only. And in a delocalized chemical bond, it is a specific bond whose electrons are spread over the nuclei of more than two atoms. We can see the example of benzene. Here there are more than two nuclei are present and the electrons are spread over the nuclei. So here is delocalized chemical bonding in benzene. Now we will see comparison between localization and delocalization. So localizations are less stable than delocalization because electronic charge is not distributed in atoms and molecules. In delocalization, electronic charge is distributed due to resonance in atoms and molecule. Here we can see the example of methanol and acetic acid. So in methanol, when the hydrogen atom is removed from that molecule, then the lone pair is occurred on the oxygen atom and the negative charge is occurred. But the lone pair on oxygen atom remains on that oxygen atom only. It is not distributed all over the molecule. But in acetic acid, when a lone pair on oxygen atom is shifted to the bond and due to resonance and the double bond is occurred, and the double bond which is actually present on that molecule is shifted to the oxygen atom and the lone pair is occurred on the oxygen atom. This happened due to resonance, and hence delocalization is more stable than the localization. The next topic is conjugation. So conjugation is the alternate single and double bond in a molecule. We can say that when A, B, C, D, these are the molecules, but A and C and B and D, A is alternate to the C and B is alternate to D. So this is the conjugation. It is known that the covalent bond is formed as a result of overlapping of atomic orbital of the combining atoms, giving a molecular orbital. Conjugation is seen as the interaction between one atomic type p-pi orbital with another p-pi orbital across a single sigma bond. So here is the example of 1,3-butadiene. Here we can see that there are two double bonds are present. Between them, one single sigma bond is present. So it is the conjugated. So we can say that the 1,3-butadiene is the example of conjugation. There are two types of conjugation, that is conjugated dienes and non-conjugated dienes. So conjugated dienes are two double bonds are separated by single bond. For example, 3,5-octadiene. As we see in 1,3-butadiene, here is also two double bonds are present and they are separated by one single sigma bond only. And in non-conjugated dienes, the two double bonds are separated by more than one single sigma bond. Here in 2,5-heptadiene, we can see that two double bonds are present here, but the separation between them is two single sigma bond. So they can't be said to be conjugated diene. When two double bonds are separated by only one single bond, they can be said to be conjugated diene. So 3,5-octadiene is conjugated diene and non-conjugated diene is 2,5-heptadiene. Thank you.